Hello, in this video we'll be discussing the editorial page analysis of the Indian Express newspaper. Today is July 8, 2020. The first article is on the crisis of the future regarding the midday meal scheme which affected in this pandemic situation in most parts of the India, especially in Bihar. Collapse of midday meal scheme due to this pandemic could affect one of the most marginalized Dalit communities in Bihar Bhagalpur district. Midday meal at least guaranteed one stable meal a day, and even though the state governments have taken immediate corrective actions to ensure distribution of rations to the schools for 3 months and transfer money to bank account instead of midday meal scheme, due to this there is a real danger that the nutrition of the children could be compromised. Let's see the stats of midday meal scheme. It was launched in 1960 in Tamil Nadu government for the first time, and then central scheme to provide midday meal began in 1995, and Supreme Court in 2001 ordered all states to introduce cooked meals specifications for food to children, and at least 300 calories and 8 to 12 grams of protein each day, and for the 200 days a year is necessary. And at early stages of the pandemic, Supreme Court alerted state governments that non-supply of nutritional food to children and lactating and nursing mothers may lead to a large scale of malnourishment, but states responded by substituting midday meals with dry rations. But Kerala didn't stop even in the pandemic situation. They continued the midday meal scheme even in the pandemic situation, and the same should be learned from Kerala for the other state. This article is on midday meal scheme, how Kerala didn't stop even though there is a pandemic situation, but other states should also learn from it. The next article is on end of the dream, that is Kuwait indigenization drive points to impending returns of the migrant from Gulf. The draft bill in National Assembly had proposed that the percentage of Indian citizens in Kuwait should not exceed 15% of population, that is nearly 8 lakh Indians may have to leave Kuwait. In 2011 also, Saudi Arabia, the name is Nitakat, is the quota for Saudi people. They also passed a bill, that is Nitakat. And also Oman also passed the same kind of bill. The briefing the history why this has passed. In 1960s and 1970s, these West countries welcomed other country people because the local people lacked necessary skills or the willpower to meet the needs of economy. So this helped both the nations and also boosted the economies and created a check to the unemployment. As the economies of the Gulf slowing down recently, they need to lay off the workers, so that they took off this decision that had proposed in the due to COVID-19, due to the slowing down of economies in Gulf countries, that they passed a national bill which proposed that 15% of population should not exceed the original population, so that 8 lakhs Indian people may have to leave Kuwait. That's the end of dream. Why it is a dream? Because when there is a below poverty people going away and staying there, earning some bucks and coming back and fulfilling their desired dreams such as basic amenities and building houses, but that dream is now perished because of this move. That is, the National Assembly has passed the percentage of Indian citizens is not more than 15%. Around 8 lakh people now have to suffer, and this challenge is on both sides. Our government also tackles with this kind of move. Line of actual decontrol. This is regarding the Chinese product, the apps ban. For the past few weeks, India have banned the Chinese apps, barring the Chinese companies from bidding over the road projects, stopping the imports and power equipments and medium enterprises, and also blocking the consignment of imports and exports. And this move will affect the China's economy a lot, but this is not a great move because it will also impact on the Indian side because there is a lack of import and export trade. This article focuses upon the import and export trade. The final article is on the horror film Bulbul. It's a kind of unforgettable, which is a play of fantasy regarding the horror film Bulbul. The next article is on Carry on Regardless. This is just in Merriam-Webster dictionary they added a word called irregardless. It is a double negative feeling. That's it. That's the end of article discussion. If you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel where I do some technical glitches, everyday editorials and topic discussions, interesting facts and job updates. Please do subscribe so that you will be benefited. If you felt like this information is very good, please do share, like, comment with your friends. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.